have been observed to be much stronger and more regularly observed in very long term. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum. Hello, everybody. How are you? And how your temperament, everybody, all over the world? I'm talking to you all over the world. Soul healing with music. You know very well what is the music and what is the soul. And soul and music is equal to relax. Music we we listen to connects us either with our memories, present present moment, or we visualize our imaginations, which may be futuristic or just fantastics and fantasies. Music has healing powers. It can take people out of themselves for a few hours. We we know that music has a great impact on our mind, mood, and soul. Have you ever thought about the mechanism behind the fact that music heals? Music heals when it comes to the specific sound or music. The mechanism works on waves, rhythm, fluc- fluctuations of voltage between parts of the brain, resulting in the flow of an electric current. The evidence of electrical activities produced by our brain when a group of neurons sends a burst of electrical pulses to another group of neurons. It creates a wave like pattern. We can we can trace these brain waves through EEG. The five classic names of these brain waves are gamma. Brain waves have been observed to be much stronger and more regularly observed in very long term. Meditators, including Buddhist monks, it is the state that most brains are listening and thinking during analytical problem solving, judgment, decision making, and processing information about the world around us. Everybody, please listen to my word and carefully. They are found during activities such as yoga and meditation just before falling asleep. Being creative and artistic. According to research, theta waves indicate deep relaxation and occur more frequently in highly experienced meditation practitioners. It is it is seen in connection with creativity, intuition, day, daydreaming, daydreaming, and fantasizing, and is a repository and repository for memories, emotions, and sensations. Theta waves are strong during internal focus, meditation, prayer, and spiritual awareness. It reflects the state between wakefulness and sleep and relates to the subconscious subconscious mind. These are the slowest of all brain waves and the strongest when we are enjoying restorative sleep in a dreamless state. This is also the state where healing and rejuvenation are stimulated, which is why it is so crucial to get enough sleep each night. This is the mechanism where we are listening to specific soothing varieties of sound or music form which sacred chants, prayers, yoga, meditation. It affects our brain mood, feelings, resulting in a calm, composed mind, body, and soul. Have you heard about binaural and isochronic beats and tunes used for healing nowadays? Binaural beats utilize two tones and isochronic tones use just one tone. These tones repeatedly turn on and off in a pattern more like pulsating. It is believed that syncing your brain waves to a cretin re- frequency mind and frequency be able to induce various mental states, stress or anxiety, relief, low beta or alpha frequency tones will help to lower your dominated and dominate frequency, reduce feelings of stress or anxiety. Listening to sad song makes us cry sometimes, which relieves us from suppressed depression. Sometimes it can be hard to relax, and it can ever be more difficult to reach a deepest state of meditation, especially for those who are new to meditation. Use low alpha and theta frequency tones. Light music will help guide your brain to these deeply relaxing and sometimes life-turning mental states.